Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing Windows to expose the missing control. Open Settings Update and Security and install pending updates, then create a restore point. This prevents regret if a driver rollback is needed. Next, open Device Manager, enable View Show Hidden Devices, and inspect any unknown or disabled Bluetooth entries. Finally, open Services. MSC, find Bluetooth Support Service, set it to Automatic, and start it if stopped. These three actions re-enable the OS plumbing that makes the button appear. Now you force a clean driver reinstallation. In Device Manager, right-click each Bluetooth device, choose Uninstall, and check Delete Driver Software for this device. This removes corrupted driver packages. Once done, use Action Scan for hardware changes or Reboot so Windows redetects and reinstalls drivers automatically. If the adapter still doesn't appear, open the View menu to show hidden devices and check firmware settings in BIOS or UEFI to ensure the radio is enabled. Many systems let you toggle wireless adapters at firmware level. Finish by confirming the toggle returns. Open Settings Devices Bluetooth and look for the on/off switch. Once drivers and services are correct, Windows surfaces that control. If it's still absent, run Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot Bluetooth to let Windows attempt fixes, and then reinstall the original OEM driver from the manufacturer website. If nothing changes, test with a cheap USB Bluetooth dongle. If the dongle works, the internal radio is likely faulty, which tells you to repair or replace the laptop adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.